We started out as the underdog. We had 8 employees. Our factory was a storage unit. We built 6 safes a day. It wasn't easy. Nobody knew who we were. But we refused to give up because we knew who we could become. We always believed. Now, more than 30 years later, who we are looks very different from where we began. We've pioneered technology that has revolutionized the industry. We have the most advanced, high-tech safe manufacturing facility in the country. We have 350 employees, and we can build up to 700 safes a day. But at our heart, we're still that same underdog, working every day to prove ourselves. We haven't forgotten where we started. We're still a small-town company in a small-town community. Our company is American-born and American-made. And even though we build the most well-known, trusted safes in the world, they aren't what we're most proud of. It's our people, our welders, our engineers, our painters, our assemblers. This is the heart of Liberty Safe. Liberty Safe, America's safe company.